Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on the health details which are stored under your profile in the Health app. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit richclose.com. Alright, let's get into the Health app. So again, Health app. And we need to go into the profile. Again, that's this little icon next to the summary. And then you'll see an item called Health Details. Click through the Health Details. And under Health Details, right, you put your name, your age, what sex you are. If you know your blood type, certainly add it here, and skin type. And we'll keep scrolling along. And again, wheelchair. Are you in a wheelchair or not? And what medications are you on that might affect your heart rate? Clearly, to set each of these items, I'm not going to go through all the details because it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so now we're into the health details. Let's talk about editing the information here. So you can see in the top right-hand corner, there's the Edit button. Select Edit, and you can go in and change any of this information. If you know your blood type, your skin index, obviously, right, wheelchair or not, medications that you may or may not be on for different items. And again, you'll know this obviously if you're on these medications. So you want to be accurate with this information because it's used later on in the Health app, maybe used by emergency personnel. So those are the health details that the Health app stores. And again, once you're in the Health app, it's a little bit confusing, but if you want to see what apps are using the information for their calculations, for example, my birthday, Strong Lifts is using my age for their calculations and their information. So you can choose if you're going to allow apps to use or not use the information you have stored in the Health app. All right, that's the health details. So again, thanks for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.